Many teachers don't realise that Wordwall.net can allow you to upload a picture from the internet and then label that picture and add sound. So you create a very interesting visual word learning game. It's super simple. Let me show you how. One of the activities I really like in Wordwall is to be able to label a picture, and some teachers get confused because they see it says label a diagram, but actually you can label a picture. So if we click here, and the interesting thing is that you can search for an image. So let's click here and we're going to search for a computer. Okay, so we place that in. We can look at any picture. Let's see if we can find a good picture of a computer with lots of different words to learn. See one that's got, for example, this looks like a good example. We'll click on this one here. And now we've got our picture. Now what we can start to do now is to label different elements within the picture. So adding a label is really easy. I'm going to move that there to the mouse. I'm going to move that there to the keyboard. I'm going to move that there to the screen. I'm going to add another one, so I'm going to click on here, and then with number 4 I'm going to add it here to the computer, and I'll do one more, and I'm going to add the number 5 here to the cable. Now all I need to do is add the words, so I'm going to add the word screen to the first one, and then obviously to the second one it's going to be keyboard, and I'm going to quickly complete all the rest. So I've now completed all of the words, but I can actually do one more thing. I can add audio and make this not only an activity where students drag the correct word, but they also hear the audio. To add the audio, all you need to do is click here, make sure you've got it set to English, the word is here, and then just click on generate.
Screen.
And then save. Do the same for all of the words.
Keyboard.
I'll finish off the rest of them. Okay, the game is complete. One last thing to do. I'm going to put computer words here. So I'm just going to add in computer words. And the game is ready. We'll click on done. When you play a Wordwall game, there's many ways that you can share it. If you click on the share button, notice that you can set as an assignment. And I normally ask the students to put in their name. Click on start, and you've got a couple of options really. Copy this link and the students can play the game via the link, or use the QR code and the students can access the game through their mobile phones. Let's quickly play the game just to see how it works. If we click here, we can now drag the word to the correct position.
Cable. Computer. Screen. Keyboard.
So well done. Really like this activity. And it's very nice because it's both visual and of course audio as well. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.